The GoFundMe campaign is still on. We are almost 3 weeks into it and we have raised almost 28,000 Australian dollars. That's around 18,000 US dollars. That is almost 1/3 of the way to the goal. This here is great support because there is a lot of gear that cannot be covered by sponsors, like the mast, boom, plumbing, refrigeration and hydraulics. As a reward for your donation, you will get your name drawn onto the boat and announced over YouTube. But if you really want to get noticed, then you can even get your name permanently welded to the boat too. That's right, it will be seen forevermore on my channel. So who do we have new added this week? To be welded permanently to the boat, we have newcomers Randy Ritchie, Jason Burdett, Ava Joy Stieber, August Stieber, David Stone, Thomas Fichet and Ian Claxton. Due to an error on my part, I'm making a few errors lately. Not enough sleep, good people. I accidentally left out Larry Horsley off the list and Colette Utecht. They'll be going on next week. Good on you guys, you will be going on to the columns of heroes, when the laser machine is up and running of course. To be drawn up on the boat, we have newcomers Muir Patterson, David Olson, Graham Henderson, Sean Purcell, G.E. Brinkman, J.P. Jian, Colin Packer, Steve Clancy, Rick Jarrett, Chaz Warren, Ian Colquhoun, Brent Falanico, Priyat Parktal, Mark Ellis, Sashi Ono, Robin Buller, Mark Ratliff. Thank you all for donating and supporting the Elcano World Challenge. We are well on our way. It's not a dream anymore, but a reality. And come December, which is not far away at all, I will be leaving on the Elcano World Challenge, no matter what the state of the boat. Look at how good that profile matches the closest shell plate. Absolutely amazing. But we are soon about to have a problem. I was watching this all unfold over the next 2 hours with a couple of new guys. Lots and lots of love. See, he just put a bracket on just to hold it. I don't know why he didn't just weld it. Because, well, maybe because he has to adjust that and that'll move incrementally. Because this is a super compound curve. There's this S here, then it actually is curved this way as well. We got the head designer, Mr. Trong. He'll sort it out. I can't quite see it because I can't get up there. You know, too many cooks, broth, that sort of thing. Not that I'm much of a cook, I'm just holding the damn camera. I don't know how many shell plate they've done today. I think 4. That's the 4th one. This is an unbelievable effort. They've put this on. There's so many things that have gone on today, I can't even count. I don't have enough cameras, so it's going to be a bit higgledy-piggledy. They can't get enough of me. They get me in person and then they have to watch me on screen. So, you know the shell plate on the inboard side? It's a real complex compound curve. It's got the S profile, but then it actually comes out and in. Well, they're actually bending it in now, and it's buckled on the bottom, so it's sort of bulged out. What do you do?
They hold the tuck weld here,
yeah,
and then they hold this one, and then the other side hold also like that.
That's it.
And then we have this gap.
Yeah.
So if you push here,
yeah,
the gap,
yeah, it
the plate
can't
will
go
not,
anywhere.
not stretch. So you release this one, so it will move here, and then it will lock.
Ah, the master. Okay, we're going to solve this problem of the buckled shell plate. Right, if you have a look here, and you can look underneath. Jeffrey will solve the problem. I think they threw all the trucky tie downs over the problem so they wouldn't have to see it anymore. I felt sorry for the guys trying to bend the sheet, so I went to get help. This is too much of a curve in 2 different ways for them to not get a buckle. Yo, do we have a solution?
Yeah, I need to pick up from here.
Yeah.
And we run the plate up to here, so we need to release this one. Because you hold this one already, and you hold this one also. So
Oh, it can't travel through.
yeah, the gap cannot travel.
Okay.
Cannot travel going here.
So you still think you can get this bent and all done properly?
We will release this one,
Yeah.
so this one will run go here later.
Okay. So these are the problems. It's getting held.
You hold this one, you hold here.
Understood.
This one will not run going
Yeah.
through the...
So basically, because they fixed these 3 points, it's not allowing the metal to travel through. So they're chasing it along until they get to the end. But here, it's stopped because of those brackets holding the shell plate. It won't allow it to move. Saturday tomorrow, I'm going to miss out on all of this. Okay, well Saturday is gone, and of course I wasn't allowed in. Look, they've solved everything. Look at this. No gaps. Remember we had that buckle about right here? And Jeffrey was explaining with a piece of paper how they chase it through. Well, they chase it through, look. Very, very, very tight. Amazing. Before you leave, go check out the Gofundme campaign. We are almost 1/3 of the way to the target. Thanks for your consideration. The links are in the description.